So a very good morning to all of you. Hello students. So already we have started a chapter, that is polynomials of standard 9. Okay, so today we are going to learn part 2 of this chapter, that is finding values of the polynomials. Okay, so now in the previous period we have already learned that what are polynomials. Okay, now today let us see how to find the values of the polynomial. Suppose if a polynomial is given as 2x square plus 5x plus 3. Okay, so now we generally write this polynomial as px equals to 2x square plus 5x plus 3, where this px represents that it is a polynomial present with the variable x. Why? Because here everywhere what variable is there? X. So in this way we represent a polynomial. Okay, suppose a polynomial is given as 3p square plus 4p plus 20. So we represent it as, now here instead of p you can use, instead of this p you can use any other word. Suppose if I want to write here q of, now what variable is used over here? P. So I will write here q of p equals to 3p square plus 4p plus 20. Okay, now let us learn how to find the values of these polynomials. Okay, so we have a question over here: find the value of each of the following polynomials at the indicated value of variables. Okay, our first example is, let us copy this example here. Okay, now our first example is px equals to 5x square minus 3x plus 7. We have to find its value. 1x equals to 1. So let it find its answer. Solution: first we have to write the given things. Given px equals to 5x square minus 3x plus 7. Then you have to write now p of, now what question is given? That we have to use x equals to 1, that is 1 as the value of x. So instead of x we will put here value 1. So therefore p of 1 equals to, now wherever x is there, there we have to write 1. So how to write it? 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. So that equals to 5 into, now 1 square is 1 minus 3 ones are, so 3 plus this 7 as it is, equals to, now 5 ones are 5, then minus 3 plus 7 equals 2. Now it depends on you how to solve it. So let us make a pair and solve it. So first I am making pair of these two numbers. So what you will get? 5 minus 3, that is 2 plus 7. So that equals to how much? 9. Okay, so what is the value of this polynomial when x is equal to 1? So value of the polynomial is 9. Okay, so finally you can write, therefore p of 1 equals to 9. In this way we have to solve some more examples based on finding values of the given polynomial. Okay, now let us solve one example from exercise 2.2. okay, now here what condition is given? Find the value of the polynomials 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at, now 3 different values are given. Okay, so let us solve this example. So now what condition is given? Find the value of the polynomial. Now here we are given with a polynomial, so we will write it in px form. Okay, So solution here px, or you can write let px equals to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Okay, now we have to find different values. We have to find the value of this polynomial when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to minus 1, and when x equals to 2. Okay, so you have to write here. Now when x equals to 0, that is we are going to find the first value. Therefore p of 0 equals to, now wherever there is x, there we will write 0. Okay, so 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. So you will get it as equals to, now 5 into 0 will become 0 minus 4 into 0 square will be 0 only plus 3. It is better to write stepwise. 0 minus, now any number into 0, again 0 plus 3. So our final answer is 3. So what does it mean? That the value of this polynomial when x is equal to 0 is how much? That is 3. Now similarly we have to find it. What will be the value when x is equal to minus 1, when x is equal to 2? Okay, then now second, when x is equal to minus 1. Now this time we will write the polynomial first. P of x equals to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Okay, therefore p of minus 1 equals to, now 5 into, now wherever x is there, that what will we write? We will write there minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. So what value you will get? That equals to, now plus into minus will become minus, and 5 ones are 5, so you will get it as minus 5. Then minus 4 into, now minus 1 square will be 1 plus 3, so that equals to minus 5. Then now minus 4 into 1 will become minus 4 plus 3. So now we'll do pairing of these numbers. So now minus 4 minus 5 will become minus 9 plus 3. Now both the numbers are having opposite signs, so there will be again subtraction, so your final answer will be minus 6. So what is the value of the polynomial? That is p of minus 1 equals to minus 6. Okay, similarly you have to find it for x is equal to 2. Okay, now let us solve second example. Now here it is given that find p of 0, p of 1, this one. Okay, so now we have to find p of 0, p minus 1, p2 for each of the following polynomials. Okay, so I am considering this polynomial, that is example number 4. We have px equals to x minus 1, x plus 1. Now in this example it can be seen that the polynomial is given in terms of factors, so we have to convert it into an expression or a polynomial. Okay, solution. Now given px equals to x minus 1 x plus 1. Okay, now we know that a minus b, a plus b, or x minus 1 x plus 1 can be written as, therefore px equals to x square minus 1 square, that is px equals to x square minus 1. What rule we have used? By using the value of a square minus b square, okay, equals to a plus b, a minus b. Okay, by using this rule, I'm just highlighting it so that you can understand it afterwards. Now we are having the polynomial, that is px equals to x square minus 1. We have to find p0, p1 and p2. Okay, so let us find it one by one. Now p0 equals to, so before writing p0, again we have to write it in this way. For p0, first you have to write px equals to x square minus 1. Therefore p of 0 equals to 0 square minus 1. That equals to, now 0 square means 0 minus 1, so that equals to minus 1. So for the given polynomial, when the value of x is 0, that is p0, what is the value of the polynomial? So it is minus 1. Now we have to find it for p1 and p2. Okay, now for p1, again you have to write the polynomial once again. Px equals to x square minus 1. Therefore p of 1 equals to 1 square minus 1. That equals to, now 1 square is 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, now let us find now for p of 2. Again we have to write px equals to x square minus 1. Therefore p of 2 equals to 2 square minus 1. Now 2 square is how much? So that is 4 minus 1 equals to 3. So in this way you have to find values of the polynomial. Okay, so this much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.